I'm down here in picturesque Albany and I'm ready to meet up with the team from Lewin Coast to find out about a homegrown seafood treasure that's quickly becoming a West Australian icon. WA Good Food Guide Regional Chef of the Year Brendan Pratt from Bass Felix is headed out to one of the Akoya leases with Justine Conley from Lewin Coast.
The Akoya are a unique and exquisite shellfish that grow natively here in WA that Lewin Coast is incredibly excited about. They're grown on lines out in the deep Southern Ocean. For the purposes of growing them as a culinary food product here in Albany, we grow them for 18 months to 2 years, which is the perfect amount of time for them to get to that beautiful mouth-sized bite and that sweet, juicy, plump flavour at a much younger age. Our aquaculture products are the first in Australia to be certified carbon neutral, which is incredibly exciting for us as sustainability is first and foremost in everything that we do.
The Lewin Coast Akoya are snap frozen as soon as they are harvested to ensure optimal freshness and quality. This enables the highly skilled farm team to always harvest the Akoya when they're in peak condition.
Cheers. A lot of people describe them as having the flavour profiles of lots of different shellfish all in one.
You can really taste how super clean. Yeah, amazing.
After visiting the Akoya lease, Brendan and Justine headed out to pull in some Albany rock oysters to round out the catch. Chef Brendan Pratt, you've been out on the boat today and brought back some Akoya and some oysters.
Yeah, it's been amazing.
Yeah, tell us what you love about the Akoya.
They're just super versatile. Being out there on the boat and learning about the sustainability as a food source going forward, I think it's pretty interesting what we can do with them.
And just hearing you say that reminds me why you are the WA Good Food Guide Regional Chef of the Year. Now, what are we cooking today?
So we've got some Akoya, which I've actually just made I've just smoked them. So they've been a little bit of brine, they've been smoked in some hickory wood. We've got a little cream we've made out of those. We're gonna toast some bread. And then the rock oysters, just from out there where we were just before, they've just been shucked. We're gonna barbecue those over some nice coal.
So you're actually doing a dish that combines rock oysters and the Akoya?
Yeah, I thought, why not?
Culinary master, let's get into it.
Here I've got some water, a little bit of salt and sugar in there as well. A piece of bread,
Absolutely.
some bread. If you can make toast for us, that'd be great. These, I only want to put them in here, these rock oysters, just to get a little bit of solidity to them, just so they're not raw, and this is going to stop them sticking when we put them over the coals.
Got it.
Just give them a bit more texture. And then with this sieve here, what we're going to do is just drop the oysters straight in.
So is this a hibachi?
This is a hibachi.
Yeah.
We use this all day, every day in the restaurant.
At Bass Felix?
At Bass Felix, yeah.
Cool.
And so this is exo sauce that's going in here. So there's dried scallops, dried prawns, some hamon.
You love your exo.
Yeah, that's my thing, I think.
This is awesome. Even the smell already is incredible.
So while they go, I'm just gonna grab some of this cream. So in here, there's some soy that we make from onion, some roasted onion. There's some kombu extract. There's some eggs.
Beautiful.
Call it a cream, but it's more like kind of like a mayonnaise, I guess. So the smoked Akoya cream just straight onto the toast here. So I'm just going to take these off now. But all we want to do is create that nice smokiness. All of the dried prawns and dried scallops and all the ingredients in the exo are just caramelising and providing a little bit of smoke, and that's really just working with the body in those oysters and the salinity and minerality of the Albany rocks. I'm just going to season that with a little bit of lemon, just fresh lemon, and that just straight on top.
Chef Brendan Pratt, I'm going to try this now. For me, the minerality and the kombu really come through, and the freshness. What a dish. Well done, Brendan. It's safe to say Chef Pratt's very special Akoya dish was as delicious as it looked. So next time you're visiting one of WA's many exciting restaurants, check it out on the menu.